In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone your voice with AI without any distortions. The most important part of getting a good voice clone is starting with a clean audio sample. If your recording has background noise, echo, or interruptions, the cloned voice will usually sound less natural. So before you begin, make sure your audio is clear, easy to understand, and focused only on your voice. A quiet room and a steady speaking pace can make a big difference here. Once your audio is ready, open ElevenLabs. When the platform loads, look over to the left-hand panel and click on the Voices tab. This is where you will find the tools for creating and managing voice models. From there, click the plus icon to create a new voice. You will then see different options, and the one you want here is Instant Voice Clone. Go ahead and click that to start creating your voice clone. This option is designed for speed and convenience, and it works well for quick tests or simple projects. It requires at least 10 seconds of audio of you speaking, so make sure your file meets that minimum before uploading it. Next, click the Upload button and select your recorded audio file. After the file has been uploaded, take a moment to review the available settings. You will want to check the box labeled Remove Background Noise from Audio Recordings. This can help clean up your sample and reduce unwanted distortions in the final result, especially if your original recording isn't perfectly silent in the background. After that, click Next to continue. You will then be prompted to add a name for your voice. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create multiple voice profiles later. You should also add a description. This is useful for keeping track of what the voice is for, or noting any details about the recording style or tone. Once that's done, check the box confirming the terms, and then click Save Voice. Keep in mind that this feature requires a paid plan, so if you don't have access to that yet, you may need to upgrade before you can finish the process. After the voice is saved, your newly created voice will appear in My Voices. This is where you can manage your different voices and audio projects in one place. If you create more than one version later, this section helps keep everything organized and easy to access. And that's it. Thanks for watching.